All right, we got a S&M COVID Cruiser here, 26-inch. The homie's let me film it, so I'm gonna thank him right now, even though he's off camera. This is just a beautiful bike, man. These are highly sought after. If you know, you know. If you don't, I'm about to tell you. We're over here at the Goodyear BMX track, by the way. That's what you hear in the background. S&M, USA made in California. They make beautiful bikes. Let me get that head tube badge right there. Yeah, that's a chromoly frame and fork. It's kind of a clunker style, BMX style. And most of this bike is S&M components, but I'm gonna go over all the components. Just giving you a quick walk around. So the frame and fork, obviously S&M, it's the COVID Cruiser. They made these during COVID, obviously why it's called the COVID Cruiser. The S&M pads. S&M race stem. S&M wheel set. 26-inch with the red rims and the gold hubs. The back hub is flip-flop, and he has a Profile Elite freewheel on there. I don't know the gearing. 16, and do you know the front? 3816, he thinks. Ooh, look at those welds. Let's see if my camera will focus on this. It's completely dark here, so my camera's not focusing the best, but so we got the S&M wheel set, the Profile freewheel, we got a shadow chain, we have Profile cranks, Profile sprocket, are those hollow? Yeah. Wonder if I could shine my light through there.
22 millimeter.
22 millimeter. Oh yeah.
It's the columns.
Oh yeah, I like the columns. I have those on my my turner. So we got the Profile column cranks, 22 millimeter. The Profile sprocket. I think that's the Imperial. Is that what they call that? The Imperial sprocket. And Profile bottom bracket. We have, let's look at the pedals. These spank pedals. So these brakes are LDC Little Dude Components. Little Dude Components out of Arizona. I'm not gonna be able to get a good shot of those, but yeah, you can see those. Some V brakes. Odyssey brake pads. We got the S&M seat post, and clamp. And that red just looks beautiful on this raw frame. These stickers are all stock, right?
Yep. Exactly how it came.
Santa Ana, California. Handcrafted 26. And the headset is Daily Grind. He told me he got that at Unity Ride Shop. Unity Ride Shop, those are the homies. Actually, Unity's the one who rented out the Goodyear BMX track for tonight, and they're having a little party over there. And let's see. I didn't get the brake lever. That's an LDC brake lever also to match the V-brake in the back. Some ODI grips. So we got the stem, the headset, frame fork, wheels, hubs, pads, grips, pedals, cranks, sprocket, bottom bracket, chain, brakes, seat post clamp, and I think that is it. Thanks, man, I really appreciate it. So my YouTube is Tuesday's turn. And I don't know when this will be out because I filmed so much stuff lately, but...
Okay, so I follow you on Instagram.
Yeah.
I always wondered who ran that.